Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Statistics problems often confuse students, but you can master the p-value definition in 60 seconds. Let us break down this tricky question with a quick method. First, identify the null hypothesis. We assume the number cube is fair, meaning the distribution of outcomes is uniform. The p-value is calculated based on this specific assumption being true. The p-value is the probability of observing a test statistic as extreme or more extreme than the one calculated. Assuming the null hypothesis is true, it is a conditional probability. Options A and B incorrectly treat the p-value as the probability of the hypothesis itself. Option D correctly frames the p-value as a conditional probability of the observed test statistic. Smart move! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid inverse probability traps and always use conditional logic while assuming the null is true.